are going to build the world's biggest sign for our theme park. But we're having a little disagreement.
I want to build the world's largest Spider-Man sign.
And I want to build the world's largest bubble tea sign because I love bubble tea.
That's not a very good idea.
Wait, I know exactly how to solve this. A ninja theme park challenge. The winner of each round gets to add whatever design they want to the world's largest sign.
So if I win this challenge, I can build the world's largest toenail clippers? You'll be okay with that?
No, I will not be okay with that, so I better win.
Stick around, because by the end of this video, we're gonna build this sign.
You get 3 chances to hit 3 fruit up in the air. Be careful, intern. This might fly, at you.
V, your first fruit is a head of lettuce.
That's not even a fruit, Chad.
Your first vegetable is a head of lettuce.
Let us get it!
Beautiful. Wow.
Wow, who needs a wedge salad?
How about a chopped salad?
Oh, that's a better joke.
Now we're gonna move to something smaller.
A banana.
Hey, Rete. Wait, a little tiny chunk got cut off.
A little teeny tiny, just the tip. Look at this, see that?
That ain't a banana split.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna do a banana again. Woo! Right here.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Banana split. Oh, whoops.
No, that's not how it goes together. There you go. Look how cool she looks.
See me? Did you see me, intern?
If you thought the banana was hard to split, one of these. Oh, she messed it!
That was really hard, guys. The strawberry is like this big. I really need to design this sign. I can't let Chad design a toenail.
Toenail clippers, not a legit toenail. Big difference. If I want to chop some fruit, you know me, I'm a nunchuck guy. Let's go with nunchucks.
Oh, really? Okay.
What?
How are you gonna chop fruit?
Do you not know me?
Let us see if he can knock this out of the ballpark. Oh my god, that was so great!
Explosive!
2 more fruits, Chad. Let's see if he can chuck this out of the park. Oh my god! Chad, that almost knocked me in the face! Oh my god! Look at this! Destroyed!
That would just be the worst if my banana smacked you in the face.
We're down to the smallest fruit, but it is the hardest to get.
Now when you're me, because I'm very, very good at getting hard to get things.
What did he say?
What? First try!
I got juice in my eye!
First try! Oh, wow!
I'm crying because I'm so happy. That means I get to build the first part of the sign right over here. Before I build it, I'm gonna draw it.
I'm just hoping it's not a toenail.
Ooh, ooh.
It looks like a toenail clipper, Chad.
Yep. It might be. Yeah. Ta-da! It's these nunchucks. The bottoms light up. And this is gonna be the world's biggest pair of nunchucks. But we need to add way more to it. So, next challenge?
Yeah, this challenge is called Seek and Destroy. There are hidden balloons throughout this whole entire junkyard, and the first person to hit 3 balloons wins.
No problem. I'm great at finding balloons. I'll start on this end.
Intern, you're with me. Ready, Chad? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh, it bounced right back at me! But that counts. I get to do this.
Sayonara, balloony. Oh! Oh! It's red! Belinda!
Yes! Intern? Good teamwork!
Follow me! There's gotta be another balloon in the wild somewhere. Aha! Look at him hiding out. He thinks I can't see him there in the shade like that. Boom! Yeah! Hey, intern! Oh, got him in the head!
Are you okay? third one. There! I got it already, it's mine!
Ah!
Oh, I was trying to get...
Wait, is that your third one?
Yes, it's my third one.
Oh! I only hit 2 so far.
Well, that means you're a loser! Whew, guys, I won that challenge. My turn to design the world's largest building. What?
Wow, you're gonna make the world's largest building. That's gonna be tough because some are over 100 stories.
The world's largest sign.
Oh, okay. Oh, a circle? Floating circle? Can't do that. What are you doing?
It's great. You'll see.
Oh, I see what's happening.
Do you know what this is, intern? Yeah?
A magnifying glass.
Yeah, it does kind of look like a lollipop, but it's a magnifying glass.
Let me try licking it.
No.
No?
No, don't. Please don't ruin my design.
At Spy Ninjas HQ, we're gonna have Ninja Star throwing, so when you come here, be prepared to practice your skills. We got some friends here, shiny, happy people. They're not gonna be too happy when I pop them. The person to pop the most using 3 stars wins. Oh! Yeah, buddy, you are lucky that I'm using the plastic stars that aren't sharp. Otherwise, you'd be crying in your pants. Trying the small ones, so they're actually sharp. Are you kidding me? This dude, what's your problem? Now he's giving me the silent treatment. I've thrown all my ninja stars. I didn't pop any. V, let's see if you can pop any.
All right. The star of the show. Yes!
This dork!
The guy that you can't eliminate! I eliminated the impossible.
Yeah, well, I primed him for you.
Guys, at the end of this video, we're actually gonna build this sign. So, I gotta make sure that the star of the show and the family make an appearance on the sign somewhere.
Yeah, I see what you're trying to draw. So we're gonna have a ninja star sticking out of my stunchucks.
Yeah.
Just because you won the Ninja Star Challenge.
Yeah. I got your back, Chad. This is you.
Yeah?
I got your back.
Sweet. You're like hanging on my back.
Yeah.
You're like my backpack. Dude, this sign's gonna be epic. Just for scale. I'm gonna draw me standing next to it. There's my legs, there's my arms.
But you're not that tall. Are you kidding me?
Just for scale, that's me. Okay, V, this is what you're gonna see, but what the audience will see is this. Inside the box, we have 3 drinks. You have to identify one of the flavors of each of the drinks. In each drink, there's 2 flavors.
You mix these, Chad?
Identify your drinks, please.
All right, I'm gonna go try this.
Ah, that one.
Refreshing. Tastes like Bob. I mean...
What? Wait a second. You're a married woman. Who's Bob?
I meant to say SpongeBob, who lives under the sea in a pineapple under the sea because my guess is pineapple. I think really fast and my mouth can't catch up, so I skip a bunch of words usually.
Tastes like Bob.
SpongeBob who lives in a pineapple under the sea.
So does it taste like a sponge or does it taste like pineapple?
Pineapple.
Okay, so it doesn't really taste like Bob then.
No,
All right.
I was trying to make, a fun guess, but, it was, whatever.
All right, camera, show what the drink is.
What?
Do we have pineapple on there? We do not have pineapple.
What? Are you serious?
You don't know what's in there?
Yeah, what's in there?
Orange juice and coconut milk.
Coconut, oh. Well, together it tastes like pineapple.
It's okay. Moving on to drink number 2.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Ew. V.
What is that?
That's your job to guess.
Is there wasabi in this? Is it all fruit or is it just an ingredient?
No, it's not all fruit. There's 2 ingredients in it.
Okay, it really tastes horrible, guys. It kind of tastes like wasabi.
Okay, so your guess is wasabi sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, no wasabi at all.
Are you serious?
There is almond milk and mustard.
Ew! Disgusting, that's why it tastes so bad. I thought it tastes like wasabi. That's so gross. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Huh. It has a hint of cinnamon. Seems milky. Cinnamon?
Your guess is cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Ding, 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 ding. Now,
Yes.
for a bonus point, do you want to guess the other flavor that goes along with the cinnamon?
Vanilla?
Yeah!
Really? So then I get 2
2
points?
points!
Yes!
All right, now it's my turn. The king of tasting things. But I'm not a fan of how Bob tastes.
SpongeBob pineapple! Meat? I mean,
Meat?
no!
Bob meat?
Okay, Chad, it is now your turn. Then turn had prepped this one for you, so
Oh.
be careful. No, this was all his fault.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know what's in here. My tongue never fails me. I guess it's pineapple.
Man, you got it right!
Booyah! Okay, now I get to guess the second flavor, right?
Yes.
There seems to be a hint of celery in there. Am I right?
Oh, is that your guess?
Yeah, celery.
That is incorrect.
Oh, I was like, oh, that'd be sweet if I was right.
It is carrot.
Oh, it was a vegetable. See, I mix up my vegetables because I don't eat any.
It's true, he does not.
KV, I'm up to 1 point already. You only had 2. This should be doable. What is this? I don't taste anything.
Nothing?
This is a very subtle flavor. I'm gonna say coconut.
Incorrect.
Oh!
It was orange and pineapple.
No wonder I couldn't taste it. 2 pineapples in a row. That was a trick. This one better not have any pineapple in it.
Oh, God.
Wow, okay. I gotta think of some spicy pickle juice. Am I right?
You got the pickle part right. What kind of spicy is it?
Probably habanero.
It's not. It's actually jalapeno.
I think it's probably jalapenos. We tied, V. I am not drawing pickle juice on the sign, or pickles, or carrots.
All right, Chad, since it's a tie, how about we compromise and we both put something on the sign?
All right, very good. You know what I'm gonna draw? Where's that red at? You know I like red.
Right here.
Since we're both spy ninjas, I think the very top should say spy ninja. This sign's gonna be epic. I can't wait till we build it. All right, V, whoever can swipe their hand underneath the ping pong the most times wins.
Oh,
5.
5.
I touched it on the 6, so.
Okay, all right, guys. Let's go. Almost?
Oh, are we tied? All
I
right.
think we're tied.
V, you did
Okay.
2 swipes last time.
Okay, I think I did.
1, 2.
Oh, man!
All right, hit the edge. Try again.
I did it
double swiping.
because I just want to do the fastest.
Quit double swiping. All right, here we go. 6 for sure.
Oh.
All right, you ready?
1.
No, stop, you double swiped. Stop double swiping.
Okay. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you did 7. Wow.
Okay. All right, guys. The Spy Ninjas theme park is going to be called HQ, as in headquarters. So I want to add that to the logo.
Oh, okay. All right, that'll look cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's axing time.
First person to hit the bullseye wins. Nope, that was not the bullseye. Oh, not the bullseye. Oh, that might have been it. Replay. All right, V, I got it on my second turn. Let's see if you can match that.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I broke the thing.
You broke a piece of wood off.
Wow.
Okay, you're more dangerous, but I've got better aim.
Yeah. Together, we're
Dangerous?
dangerously
We're
aimlessly
aimlessly
dangerous.
dangerously. I think we should have a full board right here that lists all the cool things our place has, like arcade, axe throwing, VR, and way more that I can't fit because my handwriting's too big. You ready to build this thing?
Yeah, let's call those builders up. You guys are about to witness the world's largest nunchuck.
Oh, this is so exciting. 3, 2,
1.
Whoa! Look at that thing! It's huge! V, go stand next to it so they can see how huge it is. You can't even reach the top of the blue area.
Look at me.
You know, it turned out just like we drew it.
We're artists, Chad. We gave this to the sign designer, and they're like, got it, I know exactly what you want.
You can't even reach the top of the blue section, it's so tall. Dang, this is awesome.
Guys, there's 70,000 cars driving by this street every single day. That means at least 70,000 people see our wonderful sign every single day.
Everybody's gonna know who the Spy Ninjas are. Everybody's gonna wanna come here. We want you guys to come here. In fact, why don't we invite some fans that we just met the other week to come check out the sign, and we'll reveal it to them.
Yeah, give them a sneak peek.
To introduce you to the world's largest pair of nunchucks and the sign for Spy Ninjas HQ. Take a look now! Guys, keep watching all of our videos on my channel and on Beast's channel, because we're going to be asking for your help to help us design more things inside the Spy Ninjas HQ.
You're going to have your own creative ideas in that building. So make sure to subscribe to my channel as well as Chad.
And make sure to leave comments so we see what your ideas are.
And thank you so much, and we will see you next time.